You will receive an email from your salesperson. There is a View Your Estimate button in the email that is linked to the customer portal to electronically sign your estimate. Depending on if a cube sheet was included, you will scroll through 6 or 7 pages to see all parts of your estimate. On all pages, you can download a copy of the full estimate by using the Printable Estimate button. If there is a cube sheet, there will be a Printable Survey button. The required materials are available on all 7 pages with the links under Important Information, including a valuation video. You will use the next arrow to advance to the next page, where you can view other parts of the estimate and the cube sheet if one is included. On page 5, you can add a phone number or email address by entering them and using the Add Phone and Add Email buttons. Existing phone numbers or email addresses can be edited by clicking on them, updating them, and using the checkmark icon to save. They can be deleted with the trash can icons. Page 6 is the cube sheet, if included. This page will contain an uploaded cube sheet. The arrows buttons are for paging through the survey. The plus or minus buttons are for zooming in and out. Page 7, or page 6 if no cube sheet was included, will start with a pop-up box that you must check to consent to the use of your electronic signature on the estimate. You can either sign or type in the signature field and click the green thumbs up button to send the signed documents. You are then taken to a thank you page. It will explain the need for a signed bill of lading at least 3 days before loading. Please ensure to review the rights and responsibilities and ready to move booklets. There are also useful links for your upcoming move you can review.